Yo, what is poppin', everyone? I'm back in the US. I'm in Chicago. I am here to visit my sister and Chris.
You know me. You know me from the vlogs.
Damn. We out here in Chicago. And Tara are gonna show me around. My mom's arriving today. Let's step outside real quick. 9:15 in the morning. Definitely excited to explore. And we're gonna go to the Chris Kendall market. Is that
Kindle.
Chris Kendall?
Chris Kindle German and Polish Christmas market.
Tara's the local here, so she's gonna be bringing us around. Walking now. Walking over the bridge. Look. This is the river of Chicago right here, guys. That view. Tara was saying the bridges here, they all move up for the big boats and stuff to come through. Like it's nice in the summer. You have a ride. We got some German beer at the German brewery.
What kind of beer did you get?
Weissen beer?
Yeah,
I don't know.
taste?
It's pretty, it's like a light beer, I would say.
Chug.
How do you like it, Mom?
Good. Tastes like
It's not bad.
That is pretty good. Tastes very like what comes back.
The German beer is always really good, yeah. Burger. Mac and cheese.
The whole market here. So all types of food, and they got like German, Poland, beer and food. And bar here. We got another bar over there. I'm gonna go find some food, some real food, and maybe another drink. Secured some free mac and cheese as well, or some Mac products. Sock. Oh my god! Kraft mac and cheese sock. We got some cheese sticks. Little drink coming. Spider hoodie. Wow, that's pretty swaggy, Mom.
Like it. Nice and warm.
I got a Guinness. We made it to the park here. Millennium Park, you said?
Yes, we're at Millennium Park.
My first time at the bean, guys. This is a important moment in history. Where's
First
Mom?
bean, you gotta flick the bean.
Mom, have you ever flicked the bean?
What the hell?
You ever
You know
been
what that
to the
means?
bean?
Oh my
That's inappropriate.
We have reached
The
the bean.
The bean.
Tara, is there anything you have to say about this?
It's the biggest bean I've ever seen. Did you get it? It rhymes.
Kinda is. Last night I forgot to vlog. We took the CTA or the L back, just rested. It's
We're
gonna
ready
be
to go for coffee.
Gooey coffee shop Tara wanted to show us. Woo! Let's pop my cheese.
What's up?
Getting on, it's my second time getting on the L.
You excited?
Yeah, we're only going like 2 stations away. Tara's gonna show us where the spot's at.
We're going to
It's
West
in
Loop.
West Loop,
Now we're on Clark and Lake.
Clark and Lake.
And then I would say West Loop is like the hip bar area. Okay, let me set this.
Ate my burger so fast I'm about to record it. Hi. Hi, Mom.
Honestly, Chicago. Well, New York too. New York has beautiful.
So we just crossed the bridge right there. We were just on the other side right there. Now we just crossed that bridge. Good vibes. You can see the Chicago boat. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a really fancy restaurant.
There's tons of people on the boat. Yeah, it looks nice in there.
It's a I think it's a 5-course meal. It's 125 per person.
Okay.
125 per person.
Maybe we do that in it.
Just, huh?
It's all heated on side, it looks like. Or on the inside, I mean. Looks all heated. You got the train passing over.
She said,
How do you like Chicago so far, Mom?
I kind of enjoyed it for a few days maybe, but to live
Yeah.
here, I don't think I can.
If I wasn't making a lot of money, it's a very expensive city to live in, but it's definitely has a lot of stuff to do if you have the money. Look how big that building is. Pretty crazy.
Mark.
I was about to say it's like a really big building. So that's the mark, guys. So we're almost back now, guys. You see the river's moving pretty fast, it looks like. We just finished food.
My foot hurts. My foot hurts.
Yeah, we forgot to film that. We went to the animal shelter next door, but we'll probably end up going again, so I'll bring you guys along next time. Yeah, there's a little cat named Oreo. Here's the Malort. Some Chicago liquor right here. Back riding the CTA. We got our friends here now. Cheers. And Chris's friends came over to visit, and my mom just headed out yesterday, and we're gonna show them the bean.
Literally.
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Like it's an infrared.
It's so cold.
We're going to the bean again, but this time we got Yasmin and Danny. Their first time at the bean.
Cold.
And my little egg tiara.
Tara's the Michelin man today. So did Tara. Got the Chicago Bears van.
They completely annihilated the Browns today.
Of course they did.
Of course they did.
What'd you say?
Browns are ass.
They do be ass. So we made it to the park here where the bean's located. Oh, they got some crazy stuff. Look at that view.
I said them before though. I don't want the shovel in my life.
Back at the bean, the good old bean. Take some photos. I don't know. I already got plenty of photos last time, low key. We're now under the bean.
Yeah, it's not good.
That's kind of cool. Look at that.
The bean.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
How do you feel about the bean?
How? Oh my god! You see how red my nose is?
Got the Christmas tree behind.
Ready?
Yeah.
Watch this. Come here.
We're gonna go to the walking street where they have all the shopping stuff because they want to go shopping. I'm trying to find something warm. That's mad cold. Guys, it is my last day in the windy city of Chicago.
Oh, I got you there tomorrow.
Yeah. Danny's last day here, so we'll get one magic game in before he leaves.
Crystalline Giant. Explain that to him.
At the beginning of combat on your turn, choose a kind of counter on random that Crystalline Giant doesn't have on it. From Monk Flying, First Strike, Death Touch, Hexproof, Lifelink, Madness, Reach, Trample, Vigilance.